Hello everyone, Iko Mai. Welcome again to Around the World Under One Roof. I am Chef Hosky. Today I'm doing one of my how-to videos, and today I'm going to show you how to cut a whole chicken, save money, because this chicken cost me $3. Okay, so $3 you can cut a lot of pieces and make a whole big meal. At least you can feed at least 4 people off of this. I'm telling you, it is worth it. $3 for a whole chicken. And I'm going to show you exactly how to cut this chicken so you can get a whole lot of pieces. Because it's going to be the same chicken that I'm going to be using when we make the Korean deep fried, double fried chicken for my next video. So come follow me so I can show you how to cut a whole chicken. Alrighty, so right now, here's the whole chicken. We're going to start off with, so the first thing I'm going to start off with is I'm going to cut the thigh. So you cut it like that. And then when you do, you can break it right here. It's the thigh bone. And you want to get into that right there. See? Where the bone breaks off right there, splits. Right here you see a bone split. That's exactly what you want to cut in between. So it shouldn't be hard for you to cut. See? And we'll do the other one, the other leg. And just pull it back again, pop it. See that? There you go. Cut right in between that. There you go, just like that. See? There you go. Then do the wings. The wings gonna be the same thing. See that? You can practically pull that back like that and see where that wing is. Cut it like that. See? And put the wing right on off like that. Like so, see? And to the other side too. Same way. You can feel it where the joint is. There you go. See that? That's what you cut in right in between that joint, just like that. You cut back and forth to get it off just like that. So now, for the back part, so you can pull some of that fat off too. Now for the back part, I'm going to use some good scissors. For the back part, I'm going to use some good scissors. Follow that right on through. See, cut that off. Easily come off. Same way up here too. Same way. See, you'll find that opening right through. There you go. See, just find exactly where it goes off. There you go. And then for the breast, you're gonna do the same thing. See that? Gonna cut right in between, just like that. There you go. And I'm gonna just take my scissors and cut it just like that. Now I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna do this. What they usually do now. They break down. See how many pieces you got in whole pieces. So now this, you can make the thigh, of course. So there's a joint between them two, right there. You see a joint right there. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna find that joint where they meet and cut right in between. There you go. See right there. You're gonna cut right in between that. There you go. So now you got a piece of the thigh and you got a piece of the leg. And this one, you get this little tip off. You can cut that off. Then go right there. You can cut this tip off. That can go right there. And you see, and you still got a lot of piece right here between the wing and the little drum. And you can cut right. There's a joint right there between them two. And you cut right there between the joint. Do the same thing with this, the thigh. There you go. I'm find out where they meet at. There you go, right there. Cut in between it. There you go. Now, look how many pieces you have. 1, 2. You got 2 thighs. You got 2 legs. And you got a little drum and 2 wings. Now this, I'm going to get the pieces of chicken and I'm going to cut it up into pieces. Because this is what they do in Korea. See? You get 2 pieces. And for the breast, we're going to cut them into small pieces. See? 1, 2. Cut that little piece off like that. And see, look how much pieces you was able to get out of one breast. And if you wanted to, because you're making fried chicken, you cut it into smaller pieces. See? Just like that. Got this chicken thigh left. I'm going to turn it this way. Make sure it's safe. There you go. Then, there we go. So we got about 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, a little bit, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27. Almost 30 pieces, y'all. You can get off of one whole chicken. 30 pieces. This is the results of how many chicken that you can have with one whole chicken that costs $3. Almost 30 pieces of chicken. I'm pretty sure we could have got 30 pieces out of that. But look at that. Life-saving. You can feed a family with this. You can feed, more than 4 people. You can feed 5, 6 people, depending on how many people can eat chicken. But this is a steal. This is a steal. Alrighty then. Well, mahalo everyone, once again, for joining me and watching my how-to show, learning how to cut a whole chicken. So look, we just cut a whole chicken. One little itty-bitty chicken that I paid $3 for. And we got almost 30 pieces of chicken. And hopefully you got your chicken ready to make that double deep fried Korean chicken for this Wednesday. Have it ready, y'all. Have it ready, because we're about to get down Wednesday for some deep fried Korean, double fried Korean chicken. And you're definitely going to enjoy that. So thank you again for joining me here under one roof with Chef Hosky. And please pop a like if you like what you see. Share my page. Please share my page with your friends and families. Let them know about me, and subscribe so you know exactly when I'm going to have another show for you. And thank you very much. Always. Aloha. Ahui ho.